Add the semolina to the butter and the yogurt.
Yeah.
Olive oil.
Yeah.
Doesn't really matter most of the time, I guess.
Package of vanilla. Baking powder.
Yeah.
But these ones those are my favorite.
Flour if the mixture is too soupy
Yes.
to get it to the right consistency.
How long is that?
Some a few drops of food coloring.
Yes. Yes. Enough.
We separate some dough. Okay. We separated some dough here, so we're gonna add green color to make the leaves. And for the rest, you have to be cute, you have to be steady, you have to be well educated. You know, the Black Sea women are like, they're carrying all like loads and they do all the work, and the men just go to there's like we call coffee.
Dough is now ready. We have the red for the roses and we have the green for the leaf. We're making our rose cut dessert.
Yeah.
And we take our dough, we roll it out, and then we cut 3 circles for each rose.
Yes.
Yes.
Step is to take the cut out petals and you're going to sort of overlap them one on top of the other. Next step is starting from the outside, roll them in gently, and then you take your knife, cut it in half, and there you get 2 rose blossoms. For making your leaves is take a piece of the green dough, and it's smaller than a golf ball, and you're going to pinch off about 4 or 5 little sections. Those are for your leaves, and then you put them in the palm of your hand, roll them into smaller balls, and then you're going to take your hand and you're going to flatten them and shape them into little tiny delicate leaves that will then be placed onto each of the rose blossoms.
And it doesn't come out gelatinous.
Put them on a baking pan or baking sheet, and then you will add your leaves to embellish them. The final touch, the icing on the cake, we're taking 1 hazelnut and dropping it and placing it into the center of each rose bud. We have our simple syrup that's cooking for our dessert, and we're going to squeeze some lemon into it. And basically, when you make a simple syrup, you use equal amounts of sugar and equal amounts of water. However, for this syrup, we've used 2 cups of water and 2.5 cups of sugar. And the reason we add the lemon is it's important to add a few drops of lemon, fresh lemon juice, into your syrup so the syrup does not crystallize.